During any type of disaster, the first 72 hours are considered to be the most crucial period to sustain. That's why it is a good idea to have a bug-out bag where essential and emergency supplies will be stashed so that you and your family can live through the immediate hours following the disaster. The bug-out bag will not only house your necessary things but also will be ultra-durable, lightweight, modular, and equipped with tons of other features just to keep you sustained during havoc. With that being said, in today's video we're gonna talk about the 7 best bug-out bags of 2021. So without further ado, let's jump into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Exclusively designed for your comfort, the Spec T.H.E Pack U.A.P does not compromise the great features that made its previous model so successful. It's constructed from super durable 6x6 Condor nylon, which happens to be the toughest 1000D fabric on the market. Plus, its double-layer top panel features drag handle that is stitched into the panel for ultimate durability. Besides these versatile 3-pocket back features, YKK 10 self-healing chain and zip closers with the added features of modular compatibility for additional hydration or radio packs for your necessity. To summarize, you're looking for a bug-out bag that'll not let you compromise the comfort during an apocalypse, so without a doubt, the Spec T.H.E Pack U.A.P is your go-to option. Built from materials that can even stand against bombs, the Goruck GR3 is a great backpack that can be ideal for your bug out during scenarios when you don't want to drag behind literally anything. It features a separated, bomb-proof laptop compartment that'll provide extra security to up to a 17-inch laptop. Plus, it opens flat and the padded handles and extra padded shoulder straps will make you feel comfortable even when you're carrying so much stuff inside. Besides, this also features a removable hip belt for superior convenience, external and internal mole webbing for additional attachments, compression straps for compatibility, along with the hydration port that'll help you during emergencies. When you only get 10 minutes to pack to endure more than 72 hours during a disaster, the Goruck GR3 is what you have to grab. Featuring an unrivaled number of compartments, the 511 Tactical Rush 72 2.0 backpack is a versatile bug-out bag that serves multiple purposes during emergencies. It boasts a 1050D Condor nylon exterior that provides high tensile strength and extreme durability. And the mole modular webbing and plenty of internal organization will help you to pack all the stuff you need for any situation. Besides, this bag comes with rollable lateral straps that will help you to carry additional loads behind you pretty easily. Large accessory compartments will give you more room for storage. All in all, the 511 Tactical Rush 72 2.0 backpack will be a great option for you that cannot be topped when it comes to carrying compartments. An affordable option but packed with tons of features. The Condor 3-Day Assault Pack is a worthy bug-out backpack for beginners. This 50-liter backpack has very unique retention straps for secure storage of your gear under its clamshell main compartment, and its middle compartment offers tons of space to organize all the things you need. Besides, there are multiple grab handles for you to carry the bag any way you want. Plus, its added hydration system on the back can hold 2 of the 3-liter water packs. That is something extra at this price point. Take a flight with this comfortable Condor 3-Day Assault Pack, which is made with high-quality materials and a perfect design which can prove valuable during uncertain disasters. Bolstering with a generous number of compartments, the Kifaru 357 mag utilizes the same model as the other Magnum packs but at a lighter weight with tons of storage. It features comfortable back suspensions that can let you haul 80 to 90 pounds with ease, and its whopping 54.75 liters of internal storage can accommodate almost everything you need to survive a disaster. Besides, it also comes with a comprehensive amount of modular webbing across its external part for additional attachments. Plus, its extensive internal organization format with added attachment points will not let your gear bounce off. If you're seeking for something that will provide an ample amount of storage along with durability, look no further than the Kifaru 357 mag backpack. Ensuring your excellent versatility along with even greater mobility, the Mystery Ranch 3-Day Assault BVS will not let you down when you are trying to sustain in the event of an unexpected evacuation. It features a 3-zip design that will let you access the whole high-density polyethylene sheet interior. Plus, its interior features mold on the body panel for attachments along with 3 hydration sleeves that can hold 3 liters of the reservoir. Besides, it's made of 500D Cordura with Teflon and PU coatings for maximum durability, UV protection, and weather resistance. Also, this features a bolstered ventilation and stability system that provides stability to your body armor if you're wearing one. Overall, the Mystery Ranch 3-Day Assault BVS offers you the perfect size for radios, sustainment gear, water, food, and other essential items along with exceptional portability during emergencies. An ultralight backpack that is developed for maritime spatial operations, the Arc'teryx DRYPACK 70 is our clear favorite bug-out bag option that performs at the highest end of the spectrum. This bug-out bag can fit 70 liters of gear inside of its spacious interior and is made of waterproof and exceptionally durable urethane-coated T.H.E 725D Cordura fabric. Also, the interior is made of white urethane, which will offer you better visibility in low light conditions. Besides, its C2 suspension system includes a laminated back panel, grid-lock shoulder straps that can be adjusted to custom width and height, removable load transfer disc that rotates freely to stabilize load on uneven terrain. All in all, aim to achieve the expectation of the most demanding users, the Arc'teryx DRYPACK 70 is more than capable of handling your need for a bug-out loadout. So that was all about the 7 best bug-out bags of 2021 just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.